If you want to add beats in CapCut PC quickly and cleanly, this video is going to help a lot. In this tutorial, I'll show you two easy methods. First, the fastest way using CapCut's AI Auto-Beat feature, and then how to add beats manually for more control. Whether you're editing a montage, a vlog, a transition edit, or a fast-paced short, adding beats can make your video feel way more professional and more synced to the music. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project, or open an existing one if you already have your clips ready. To begin, click Import in the Media panel and bring in the files you want to use. That means your video clips, photos, and most importantly the music track you want to sync to. Once everything is imported, drag your audio file down onto the timeline below your video clips. This is important because CapCut needs the audio on the timeline in order to detect the rhythm and generate beat markers. Now click directly on the audio clip in the timeline so it becomes highlighted. You want the audio selected before using the beat tools because that tells CapCut exactly which sound file you want to analyze. After that, look at the toolbar above the timeline and find the Auto-Beat option. In some versions, it may show as a flag icon with AI or gears, and in other versions you can also find it by going to the audio panel on the top right and scrolling until you see the beat section. Once you find it, click on it to open the beat detection settings. This is where the AI Auto-Beat tool really shines. CapCut will automatically scan the audio and place markers based on the rhythm of your song. You'll usually see two beat levels. Beat 1 creates markers on the main, stronger beats. This is great if you're doing slower edits, simple cuts, or you just want a clean rhythm guide. Beat 2 creates more detailed markers, including both major beats and smaller subbeats. This is the better choice if you're editing fast-paced content, action clips, dance edits, gaming videos, or quick transition sequences. After choosing the beat level that fits your project, let CapCut analyze the track. In just a moment, you should see yellow beat markers appear along the waveform. These markers show you exactly where the rhythm hits. So now you can line up your cuts, zooms, effects, transitions, or text animations to match the music perfectly. This is one of the easiest ways to make your edit look polished without manually tapping every beat yourself. Now, if you want total control, or if the AI markers don't match the exact drop you had in mind, you can add beats manually instead. Manual beat marking is perfect when you want to sync only specific moments, like a bass drop, a transition, a flash effect, or the exact point where a clip changes. To do this, first make sure your audio track is still selected in the timeline. Then press play by hitting the spacebar and listen closely to the song. As the music plays, watch and listen for each beat you want to mark. When you hear the beat, tap the Add Marker icon, which is the small flag above the timeline, or use the shortcut key M at the exact moment you want to place the marker. A yellow dot will appear on the waveform at that frame, giving you a precise visual cue for editing. This is a great method if you want to create a custom rhythm pattern, or if you're matching beats to very specific visual moments. If you accidentally add a marker in the wrong place, don't worry, CapCut makes it easy to fix. Simply hover your playhead over the yellow marker and click the Delete Marker icon, which looks like a flag with a diagonal line through it. Or press M again, depending on your version. That removes the marker so you can place it again more accurately. This is really useful when you're fine-tuning the timing and want your edit to feel locked in with the music. So to recap, if you want the fastest method, use Auto-Beat and let CapCut detect the rhythm for you. If you want full precision, add the markers manually with the M key while listening to the track. Both methods are great, and the best one for you depends on how much control you want over the final edit. Once your beats are added, you can use them as guides for cuts, effects, captions, transitions, and motion graphics to make your video feel much more dynamic. If this tutorial helped you learn how to add beats in CapCut PC, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.